Dear colleagues, this video is about the introduction of implement the variable power down hold setting method in the practical operation of the PLC system. Due to the actual situation at the industrial site, it is required that after the system is shut down or abnormally powered off, some variable values in the PLC system can be saved in the PLC and called after the next normal power on by the user, with the data before the power off, returned for further use by the program. CODESYS provides two types of persistent variables. The latter is more frequently used in practical applications, regardless of the variables in the global variable list, in a program unit, or in a struct. They can be returned in case of power failure. Next, we'll demonstrate it. Right-click the application, select Add Object. Select the global variable list. Then define the global variable list type. Enter persistent. Next, we define the variables to be returned in case of power failure. They can also be struct variables. For example, create a new structure and create some variables in the structure. After the variables are defined, we need to use any of the variables in the program before adding the instance path of persistent variables to all these variables. The variable GH is declared in the pool. Its variable type can also be returned in case of power failure. If it needs to be set, we can select persistent. After the setting is completed, we right-click the application, select Add Object, select the persistent variable list. Comment on this part. After compiling without errors, we right-click to add all instance paths to add all the variables to be returned in case of power failure that we have defined to the persistent variable list. Then we download the program. We can assign some values to the variables. When finished, we log out, power off and restart the PLC. Recommunicate and search for the PLC. Then log in and run the monitor. We can see that the values previously set will be returned after the PLC is powered off and restarted. About to implement the variable power down hold setting method. That's all. Thank you.